for joining me for an express yoga flow. We'll go for about 30 minutes, just enough time to get the body moving, to help the minds slow down and to get the energy coursing through the body mind. So let's find a comfortable seat. Go ahead and ground the sit bones down. Gently close the eyes. Take a deep inhale, and as you inhale, draw the shoulders up to the ears, and then exhale, roll them down. Do that a few times. Inhale, bring them up, and exhale, release them down. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's Om 3 times. Even though it's an express class, let's do an express kirtan. We'll sing Om, the expanded form of Om, back and forth. Om, 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 Om. Om, 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 Om. Om, 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 Om. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namaha, Shivaya Namo. Shivaya Namo, Om Namah Shivaya. Om, Om, and be still. Feel the mantra, the pranava mantra, the primordial sounds reverberate through your body, through your mind. Slowly lift the eyelids. You can go ahead and start your playlist if you'd like to use it today. I'll play it in the background, so that we're moving to the same rhythm. And then from where you are, go ahead and bring your right hand to the outside of your right side, maybe bringing your elbow down. Yeah, and then gently take that stretch over, twisting the chest up to the ceiling. Inhale, come back up, and let's just move to the other side, left hand down or left forearm. Good, right arm cascades overhead, opening up that side body. And then inhale, come back up to center. Walk the hands out in front of you, just making a little bit more space. And let's take this one too. Inhale, look forward, and then exhale, surrender down. Stretching the body forward, the front body forward, while the sit bones kind of sigh their way back down to the mat. One more inhale. Exhale out the mouth. Inhale, press your hands into the ground and make your way to cat-cow. Taking a minute to make sure your alignment's good. Yeah, you've got your wrists underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. Then inhale, drop the belly, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, bring it in. Chin comes to chest, gaze comes to navel. And keep going like this, using the breath to open up the body. Take one more. Exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Plant your right shin into the ground. Take your left leg back. Take your right hand, your right arm forward. Yeah, let's do this isometric stretch. Just for a few moments, just breathe it in here. And take a deep inhale. And exhale like you're swimming in like sludgy water. Bring your knee to your elbow. Yeah, inhale, expand. Good, good, good. Exhale, contract. More like a dance than anything to do with the abs. One more. Inhale, elongate and stay. 2, 3, and switch sides. Yeah, gently coming through center. Good, good. And bring your right leg back. Your left arm forward. Hold, engage in the core. Gaze is soft in front of you. Good. Inhale. And then exhale. Slowly bring that knee to the elbow. And inhale, expand. Exhale, contract. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract. Inhale, expand. Good. And then stay. 2, 3, and release. From here, tuck the toes under and lift your seat up to the sky for downward facing dog. Pedal it out here. Gently shake the head, yes. No, flubber the lips. Get rid of the tension in the cheeks. Then inhale, lift that right leg up to the sky. Bend the knee, open up the hip. And then exhale, just bring it forward. Knee comes to the nose. Foot comes between the hands. I'll just rock it forward and back. Just a little bit here. Leave the left hand down. Raise the right arm to the ceiling. Taking a twist. Inhale here. Exhale, hands come down. Bring your back knee down and inhale, lift up Anjaneyasana. Heart goes toward the sky. One more inhale. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. Straighten that front foot. Oof, Ardha Hanumanasana, half split. Some days half split is easier than others. Yeah, if your knee doesn't straighten, keep it bent, And then gently with loving kindness, send the breath to the back of the leg, especially if you've been running or biking. This can feel particularly strenuous. And inhale, step your right foot down, plant the hands, tuck your back foot, bring yourself back to downward facing dog. Pedal it out, twist it out. Inhale, lift that left leg high up to the sky, open up the hip, bend the knee, and then exhale, just bring it forward. Bring your foot between your hands, dart here. Forward and backward, like a darting lunge. Then bring your right hand down, lift your left arm to the sky, twist it out here. Inhale. Exhale, hands come down, back knee comes down. Inhale, lift up onto so the heart graces the sky. Good. Inhale. Exhale, hands come down. Ardha Hanumanasana, straighten that left leg. Yeah, toes come toward the ceiling. And breathe. Already engaging that prana. Inhale. Step the left foot down, curl the back toes under. And bring your right foot forward to meet your left. And let's just hang out. Yeah. Grab opposite elbows. Sway from side to side, bending one knee, then the other. And release your hands down to the ground. Plant your feet into the ground firmly, and with this energy, start to roll all the way up to a standing position. Bring the arc the arms up overhead. Let's grab opposite wrist. So with your right hand, hold on to your left wrist and come over to the right. Inhale back to center, switch. Inhale back up to center. Bring your hands down to prayer at heart center. Set an intention for your practice today, maybe for your day. And release your hands down to your sides, bring toes and heels to touch. Yeah, finding yourself in Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhale, raise arms, press palms, look up, Surya Namaskar. Exhale, fold down, Uttanasana. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, plant the palms, step, jump, fly back, lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, one. Inhale. Exhale, two. Inhale. Exhale, three. Feel those sit bones moving toward the sky. Feel the shoulders rolling back and down. One more deep inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step, jump, float forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Press palms overhead, look up. Exhale, take it right back down. Uttanasana. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step, jump, float back, lower down, Chaturanga. Gazes forward as you lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. Try to bring your focus to your breath. As the mind wanders, let the breath work like a lasso to rein it back in. It's the hardest thing in the world, especially when we're so busy, so overwhelmed with life, to turn the mind off, to settle it down. One more deep breath, inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step, jump, float forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, press palms overhead, look up. Exhale, fold it down. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step back, lower down, Chaturanga. Knees up or knees down, right? It's all good. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. Yeah. And if you need to move when you're in your downward facing dog, that's fine. If you need to pedal it out, twist it out, you can make it static, you can make it dynamic. Just wherever you go, however you move, try to bring stillness to the mind. Right? We have these thoughts, these vrittis, they call them, that move through the mind, the chittam. And these thoughts, true or not, shape our reality, shape our outlook. Inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step, jump, float forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Press palms overhead, look up. Exhale, hands by your side. Tadasana, moving on. Inhale, hook arms, rise up, arch back. Exhale, bend knees, swing arms, clasp hands, fold it down. Inhale, hands come down to the ground, send your right foot back, lunge. Exhale, left foot back, down dog. Inhale, pull it through to plank. Exhale, lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, Upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, lower knees, chest and chin. Inhale, side forward to cobra. Exhale, seat to heels, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot forward, lunge, look forward. Exhale, left foot forward, fold. Inhale, bend knees, hook thumbs, rise up, arch back. Exhale, bend knees, swing arms, clasp hands, fold it down. Inhale, hands come down to the ground, send your left foot back, lunge and look forward. Exhale, right foot back, down dog. Inhale, come forward to plank. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, lower knees, chest and chin. Inhale, side forward. Exhale, seat to heels, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot forward, lunge, look forward. Exhale, right foot forward, fold. Inhale, bend knees, hook thumbs, rise up, arch back. Exhale, bend knees, swing arms, clasp hands, fold it down. Inhale, hands come down to the ground. Send your right foot back, lunge. Leave your right hand down. Lift your left arm to the ceiling. Take your leg first. Exhale, bring your left foot down. Drop your back knee down. Let's rise up, Anjaneyasana again. Lift the chest to the sky. Good. Exhale. Hands come down. Step back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, lower down. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Inhale to plank. Exhale, lower knees, chest and chin. Inhale, side forward to cobra. Exhale, seat to heels. Downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right foot forward, lunge, and listen up. Bring the back heel down, rise up, Virabhadrasana 1. Changing it up a little bit. Lift those arms to the sky. Palms can press if your shoulders are open. Apart if they're less than open right now. Inhale. Exhale, open it up, warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2, shoulders, good, come down. Gaze over your front middle finger. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come forward, bring it back. Reversing the warrior like we do. One more inhale. And then exhale. I can't teach a class and not do this sequence. I'm going to retrain myself soon. Utthita Parshva Konasana. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise up, warrior 2, straighten that front knee and try to take a wide-legged Trikonasana today. Of course, you don't have to, it's your practice. Your body, feed it what it needs, right? Give it the asana it needs. Twist the chest toward the sky, gazes at your thumb. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise all the way up to stand. Bend that front knee. Let's do this again. Circle this back arm down and up, bringing yourself into high lunge. Chest is lifted. It's like you're beaming this like beautiful energy out of your heart center. And with that lift, and I want you to come forward into Virabhadrasana 3. You can keep your arms in front since they're already up, right? Or put them in a position that feels better. One more inhale. And then exhale, go right into Ardha Chandrasana, right hand down, left arm up. Maybe I'll lift that arm off the floor today. Maybe leave it down. One more inhale. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. Leave your left hand down, raise your right arm up to the sky, Parivrtta, Ardha Chandrasana, twisted, half moon. Inhale. Exhale, both hands come down. Lift the left leg up in the air, standing split. And then exhale. Start to make your way down to the mat, crossing your left knee behind your right, setting up for seated spinal twist. I know we're traveling a bit today. Bring your right hand behind you, your left arm up. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. D-twist to the left. And from here, let's do Gomukhasana, and then we'll do the other side. I feel like I could keep going. Bring your right knee on top of your left. Yeah. Bring your arms out to the side. Bring your left arm up so your left elbow is facing the ceiling. Right arm out to the side, and just bend your right elbow. Let's see if your hands want to meet. If not, grab onto your shirt and stay forward. If you are clasped, you can bring the chest forward. One more inhale. Exhale, gently release that. Bring your hands down. And gosh, where were we? Let's meet back downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step, jump, float forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend knees, hook thumbs, rise up, arch back. Exhale, bend knees, swing arms, clasp hands behind the back, fold. Inhale, hands come down to the ground. Send your left foot back, lunge, look forward. Leave your left hand down, lift your right arm to the ceiling, taking that twist. And then exhale, bring it down, drop the back knee down, and immediately sweep the arms up. Anjaneyasana one more time. And exhale down. Bring the right foot back, downward facing dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, lower knees, chest and chin. Inhale, slide forward to cobra. Exhale, seat the heels. Downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the left foot forward, lunge. Listen up, bring the back heel down at a 45-degree angle. And then we're gonna rise up, Virabhadrasana 1, warrior 1. Hips are square toward the top of the mat. Chest is lifted. Hands are pressed together or they're open. Inhale. Exhale, open the hips, open the arms, coming into Virabhadrasana 2. Gazes over your front middle finger. Breath is long and steady. And inhale, come forward and back, reversing the warrior, lifting chest up to sky, bending that front knee a little further. Inhale, then exhale, do what we do with Utthita Parshva Konasana. Same version that you did on the other side. Feeling that side body expand and elongate with every stretch, right? Every iteration. One more inhale. And then exhale right from here. If you want to straighten that front knee, bring the left hand down, coming to a wide-legged Trikonasana. And if that's not your jam, find your Trikonasana. I don't know where that saying's from. That's not your jam. That must be from like the 60s or something. Or like jam bands. I have no idea. See, we have all these words in us, all of these words in the mind. And the tricky thing is, we think these words are us. And yoga tells us differently. Inhale, rise all the way up to Virabhadrasana 2. Exhale here. And inhale, take that right arm, sweep it down and up like you're doing a dance, coming right into high lunge. Yeah, I know it's a little tricky. You can kind of like energetically pull your inner thighs toward each other, rotate them in toward each other. And then inhale here. Exhale, bring the weight forward, coming right into Virabhadrasana 3. Try to straighten that back leg as much as possible. Inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down, right arm comes up, Ardha Chandrasana. One more inhale. And then exhale. Both hands come down to the mat. Keep the right hand down, lift the left arm up. Sorry, I think there's like an emergency on my Apple phone or all over Apple devices. Start with the Ardha Chandrasana. Good. One more inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down, right leg lifts high up to the sky, standing split. And then start to bend that left knee, sending the right knee behind it for seated spinal twist. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Yeah, good. Keep your left hand behind you. Inhale the right arm up. And then exhale, twist to the left. Oh, these twists are so good. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, D-twist to the right. And bring your knees on top of each other for Gomukhasana. So your left knee is on top of your right. Yeah, good. Something like that. Arms come out to the side. Right arm comes high, so right elbow is facing the ceiling. Left arm comes out to the side. And just bend it like you're doing the robot. And then see if they'll connect today. Wherever you are, just breathe. It's like we do these practices to try to get the energy flowing and keep the mind if we can. One more inhale. Exhale, release. From here, just make your way back to downward facing dog. However you can. It's like no pretty transition out of that one. And inhale, lift the right leg up to the sky. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose. Inhale, leg to sky. Exhale, bring your right foot to the outside of your right hand. Oof. Have a little lizard. You can drop the back knee down. Checking the time. Okay, good. We've got to end it soon. So we'll do a little bit of this and then we'll wind it down. Oof. Come back up onto your hands. Just migrate your right foot to the left side of your mat. Drop your knee down and find yourself in pigeon. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Surrender forward. Oof. Anyway, this letting go of thought, letting go of words, especially for those of us who make art with them, is so hard. It's one of the hardest things we can do is to let go of this egoic identity, this who we think we are. Even if intellectually we know, right? I walk the hands back toward the body, tuck the toes under, bring yourself back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift that left leg high up behind you. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, bring your left foot to the outside of your left hand and find your way into lizard. Maybe dropping the back knee down, maybe keeping it high. Yeah, up to you. Sit for your breaths here. And then come back up onto your hands and migrate that Left foot over to the right side of your mat. Drop your knee down, coming into your version of pigeon. Inhale, lift. Exhale, surrender forward. So letting go of this definition of who we think we are, it's hard. Letting go of even our prettiest words. Letting go of all of these thought constructs. And knowing that in yoga philosophy, these thought constructs are in some lineages seen as Maya, seen as the illusion that keep us from knowing our true nature, who we really are. See, it's even fun to think about that. Walk your hands back toward your legs, tuck your back toes under, come into downward facing dog. Inhale here, exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, jump through, we'll meet in Navasana. 5 breaths. 1, 2, or skip it. 3, 4, 5. Plus a little extra and a little extra. And lower down, Ardha Navasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, lift up. 2, 3, 4, 5. And just bring the legs down. Yeah, we'll meet in Paschimottanasana. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, come forward. Forward fold. Forward fold. Forward surrender. Inhale, rise up. And let's bend the knees. Bring the feet down to the mat so your knees are toward the sky. And let's roll down for just one simple back bend. Maybe wheel, maybe bridge. I'm going to sit up for bridge. So interlace your hands underneath and then press your feet into the ground. Lift your hips up to the sky. And then release. Slowly, one vertebra at a time. Bring your knees into your chest. And then you can bring your feet to the sky, grabbing the outside edges of your feet. Come into happy baby, or stay with your knees into your chest. Whatever feels good for you, for your back, for your whole being. And then from here, either lift the legs into waterfall for just 5 breaths, or come into shoulder stand. One quick inversion. If you're in waterfall, feel your navel pulling down toward your spine. For more of a challenge, you can bring your arms up overhead. And then from here, we're just going to slowly bring our legs down to the ground. If you want to do Halasana, you can do that now. Otherwise, we'll take the express train to Matsyasana, to fish pose. Once your legs are down, bring your forearms underneath, push them into the mat, lift the chest, bring the crown of the head down. Inhale here, exhale out the mouth. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, bring your chin into your chest. Bring your knees into your chest. Let's roll all the way up to sit. We'll do a short seated Shavasana today with a little pranayama. We'll do a few rounds of Nadi Shodhana if you're up for it today. Bring your left hand into Chin Mudra with your right hand, lower down the forefinger and the middle finger. Bring your right thumb to your right nostril. Inhale through the left. Close. Inhale through the right. Close. Exhale out the left. Inhale left. Close. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. Continue 3 more rounds on your own. Wherever you are, slowly start to reawaken in your throat, and then make your way up to a comfortable Lokas singing Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu, which translates to, see, there's that mind again. May all beings be full of happiness. That deep, deep joy, that pure joy, like a cup that doesn't need to be filled because it's always full. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your hands together at heart center, gently bowing your head to your hands. Know that the true teacher, the source of all love and wisdom, resides inside of you. Om Bolo Sadguru Bhagavan Ki.